A new study has proposed a new model for understanding dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's mass. The model suggests that dark matter is made up of particles called dark photons, which have a very small mass and interact with regular photons, the particles that make up light. The researchers believe that this model could help explain some of the unexplained phenomena in the universe, such as the way galaxies rotate and the distribution of dark matter in the universe. Additionally, the existence of dark photons would also help to explain the apparent discrepancy between the amount of visible matter in the universe and the amount of matter that is needed to account for the gravitational effects we observe. The team believes that their model could be tested by looking for the signature of dark photons in existing and future experiments. The new model is different from the current dominant theory, called the cold dark matter model, which assumes that dark matter is made up of weakly interacting massive particles, also called as WIMPs. The researchers believe that the dark photon model is a more promising and simpler explanation for the observed phenomena in the universe. The model also predicts that dark photons could be produced in high-energy collisions, which could be detected by current and future experiments at particle colliders. The study's lead author, Dr. Georg Jackal, said in a statement that our model is the first to provide a simple and compelling explanation for the nature of dark matter, without the need for any additional assumptions. The researchers hope that their model will inspire further research and experimentation in the field of dark matter, leading to a better understanding of this mysterious substance. It is important to note that this is a proposed model, and it still needs to be tested and proven by future experiments. But the idea of dark photons being the composition of dark matter is a new idea to be considered and researched further.